Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte 4. It's a sedan. It's an EX Plus trim level. And in the upper right hand corner, there's a big green sticker that says it's a certified pre-owned. It's a program Kia Canada runs, and you should check it out with our business manager when you come to test drive this Kia Forte. Of course, the car has signal repeaters in the side view mirrors, has fog lights, it has a sunroof, and let's take a walk down the car. Also has machined wheels. As we get on the car, you'll note that the sign on the door says Sirius XM is on. There's a 3-month trial of Sirius XM comes with this car. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. And on the steering wheel are your cruise and audio controls, as well as other functions for the car. The car only has 17,248 kilometers on it. AM/FM radio, the Sirius XM. Again, that 3-month free trial comes with the car. Dual climate zones. Down below the auxiliary and USB input ports. And heated cloth seats in the front. There's that beautiful sunroof that you can enjoy on a sunny day. Cloth seats. The driver's seat is height adjustable. In the rear of this sedan, lots of room, nice big doors for easy access. Lots of room in this great big trunk. You can put suitcases, boxes, carry a lot of stuff back here. Beautiful Kia Forte is located at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Best way to make an informed decision about this Forte is, if you're looking at it, is to come down and drive the car. We invite you to come down, talk to one of our salespeople, and take the car out for a test drive. Again, that's West Coast Kia, over the bridge in Maple Ridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland.